The human digestive system. Digestion starts with different phases, and it includes ingestion, movement, mechanical and chemical digestion, absorption, and elimination. Digestion has two types. First, we have mechanical, which is the physical process, which includes chewing, tearing of food, grinding, mashing, and mixing. And the chemical process involves enzymatic reactions to improve digestion, like carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Digestive system has several organization or is organized into gastrointestinal tract, which includes the tube, a direct link or path between organs and structures like the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the rectum. The mouth is composed of teeth which mechanically break down the food into small pieces, and the tongue mixes food with saliva and contains amylase which helps break down food. The epiglottis is a flip-like structure at the back of the throat that closes over trachea, preventing food from entering it. The esophagus is approximately 20 centimeters long and functions to secrete mucus, moves food from the throat to the stomach using muscle movement called peristalsis. If acid from the stomach gets in here, it causes heartburn. And the stomach is a J-shaped muscular bag that stores the food you eat and breaks it down into tiny pieces. It mixes food with digestive juices and contains enzymes to break down proteins and lipids. And it has hydrochloric acid, which kills the bacteria. And the food which is found in your mouth is called as chyme. The small intestines are roughly 7 centimeters long, and it is a lining of intestinal walls which has finger-like projections called the villi to increase surface area, and the villi are covered in microvilli. The small intestines absorbs the nutrients from the blood, pass into the bloodstream through the small intestinal walls, and it absorbs 80% of ingested water, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. The large intestine is about 1.5 meters long, and it accepts what the small intestine doesn't absorb. It is a rectum, and its function is for bacterial digestion, and it absorbs water and wastes. The accessory organs are the following. We have the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. And the liver functions directly, which affects digestion by producing bile. And the gallbladder stores bile from the liver, which releases into the small intestine. The fatty, if you have a fatty diet, then you will be developing. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes to digest fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, and it regulates blood sugar by producing. And now it's quiz time.